This continuous flow of changes doesn't stop at nature alone. It continues in every aspect of our life journey. And the trend of technology change is more dynamic. Think of this as our most essential daily gadget, such as smartphone. In the first of 2021, every company has launched many new phones. Among them are special Apple, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, and many more. However, one of the most widely studied companies is Apple and Samsung. Today, we will talk about the Samsung's upcoming super flagship phone in 2022. So, sit back and relax, because if you know the details of the phone, maybe your cold will go away and your body will start spreading warmth. However, in the end, Samsung amazing gadgets have arrived this year, but one of the super flagship phones they are going to bring next year, and it is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which will be a heartthrob flagship phone. We can understand why this is going to be a heartthrob flagship phone if we look at its spec. Dear viewers, before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe now and click the bell button so you don't miss the next super cool and awesome tech news. Already a design of this phone has been leaked and also spec. So we will move on to the specs of this phone step by step, like camera, notification screen, battery, virtual buttons, performance, fingerprint, S Pen, display, SIM, ports, and summary of the latest. So, if we look at the leaked design of the phone, it looks like this. Of course, there is no doubt that the look of this phone is going to be awesome. There is a great S Pen that also has camera, and there is a Super AMOLED notification screen on the back of the phone. And the main screen of the phone is going to be a curved, which has all the necessary buttons of the phone on both sides, but all of them are virtual. Again, there is no separate module for the camera on the back of the phone. The cameras of the phones is mounted on a flat surface. That means the phone doesn't have any physical buttons, doesn't have any camera module, which means the phone is going to be absolutely smooth, solid in all sides. This means that this Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is going to be a great evolution of 2022. The speaker charging port will be the bottom of this phone. Top of the phone will be a power button and one more speaker. Now come on to the camera. The main camera of this phone is a 200 megapixel quad core camera. 200 megapixel. It's just going to be like a smartphone camera vibe, because it is said that with this camera you can record video at 15K in 15x optical zoom, 15K video resolution. Oh my god, it's going to be a really crazy phone. There's a 14 megapixel punch hole selfie camera on the front of the phone, which is sure to be a hit with either the selfie camera or the phone's front camera. Other cameras on the back of the phone can record 4K video with up to high dynamic range or HDR. So for sure, and the cameras of this phone will surpass the camera performance of the all super flagship phone that have come to so far. Then the very attractive things of the phone is notification screen in back. The back of the phone has a 3.1-inch Super AMOLED display that will show the basic notification of the phone as well as notifications of almost all apps. The brightness of this display will be 800 nits. Battery. The upcoming super flagship phone, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, will have a 5200 mAh long-lasting power support battery and a 20-watt fast reverse charging feature. As the main screen of the phone is curved, there will be some virtual shortkey like volume rocker, power button, camera, setting, brightness, etc. on the side of the phone. Performance. Now let's look at the most important part of the phone performance. The processor in the phone will be Snapdragon 898, which is said to be the processor of the next level performance speed. There will also be 10GB, 12GB and 16GB of fast RAM option and one UI operating system. In this phone, you can get Samsung wireless desktop experience. Then fingerprint. The phone has ultrasonic under-display fingerprint scanner, and there is also 3D scanning and additional security benefits. And now, the most incredible and attractive things is S Pen. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will feature the world's most powerful wireless S Pen with an 15 megapixel camera and can be connected via Bluetooth connectivity. Display. Main display is the most important part of the phone because this phone has a 6.8-inch waterfall dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 116Hz refresh rate and 1 billion color accuracy with high dynamic range or HDR10. The phone has a dual SIM option, and nano SIM and eSIM can be used, but this phone doesn't have any SD card slot. This is the main feature of the phone. Along with that, you will also get the benefit of Bixby natural language command. There's also Corning Gorilla Glass pictures. There will also be a super fast charging port and microphone, a stereo speaker built by AKG. And of course, this phone will have 5G support and dual band Wi-Fi facility. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be IP6 certified and will have 512GB of storage. So friend, do you understand why the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is going to be an heartthrob phone? So surely, Samsung lovers are already eager to know the launch date of this phone. But one thing we need to keep in mind is that the information given about this phone is not official. It can be said that these are a kind of lagged information or rumors. So I can say for sure that this information will be 100% true. So don't take this information as your 100% thought right now until there is an official announcement. However, in the case of most of upcoming smartphone, laptop and some special gadgets, the lagged information later become true. But again, please don't take this information for granted. Of course, whenever there is a new update of Samsung Galaxy S23, I will definitely come to you with the update news. But if you don't want to miss the update, be sure to become a member of our family by subscribing now and surely hit a like in the video and keep up to date with all the latest gadget updates. It's time to finish this video. Stay tuned until the next new gadget update news comes out. Till then, take care. Thank you for watching. Tata.